The MELAseal 200 is ready to operate as soon as the LED illuminates green. To start the packaging process, insert the end of the sterilization package into the sealing device, with the paper side facing downwards. Use the lower slit on the rear of the device to do so. The hand wheel of the deluxe reel dispenser enables you to adapt the desired length easily. Press the lever of the MELAseal 200 downwards to generate the seal seam. During the sealing procedure, move the blade handle from one side to the other to cut off the desired length. After the progress bar has finished and the display shows open, press the lever upwards and remove the pouch, which is open to one side. In addition to the rolls, you can also use standard-sized pouches. The prefabricated pouches ensure maximum efficiency by saving the process steps demonstrated before. In the next step, please place the instrument in the pouch. Please ensure that the instrument is dry and free of soiling. Hinged instruments, such as scissors and clamps, should be opened loosely. The use of protective caps on pointed instruments prevents damage of the sterilization package. To finish packaging, slide the unsealed side of the pouch into the sealing device from the front. Then, perform the sealing procedure again. In order to avoid tension of the seal seam, please consider the following recommendations. The pouch may only be filled up to 75%. The content must not exceed 3 kilograms. Maintain a minimum clearance of 3 centimeters between the seal seam and the instrument. For a correct handling of the instruments, please consider the peel direction. The arrows on the foil indicate the direction in which you need to open the pouch. Please make sure that the person performing the treatment removes the instrument by its handle.